Happy New Year and welcome back to my channel. I hope 2023 was good to you guys. I just pray that 2024 will be better. In today's video, we will be making moringa hair oil. We already know the benefits of moringa, so no need to go deeper. Let's just get into the video. You will need moringa powder, coconut oil, a mason jar or any container that you need to use. I will also be using some cloves as well. You can use any oil of your choice. You can decide to use coconut oil or you can decide to use olive oil, whichever one rocks your boat. So I went ahead and put my measured moringa powder into the jar. I will leave all the measurements in the description box just in case you guys want to know the exact measurements that I used. So I added my moringa powder and added my cloves. I'm going to then add my coconut oil and then I will stir it. Remember, if you're allergic to coconut oil, please don't use coconut oil. Just use whichever oil has proven to work for you. So after mixing it, I am going to cover it and leave it in a dark, dry place for a little over a month. Now you can choose to let yours infuse for a week, a couple days, a month, 2 months. The beautiful thing is that this has a great smell, especially because of the coconut oil, so you don't have to worry about the smell. This is what it looks like, very dark, so you know that the nutrients are there where. So now I'm going to go ahead and strain it. I took you guys' advice and I got the cheesecloth. I'm very excited because in the past, straining these things has been a little chaotic. I usually use my wig cap. So yes, if you don't have a cheesecloth, you can go ahead and use a wig cap. But I finally purchased the cheesecloth and I'm going to strain the oil. When straining the oil with cheesecloth, you have to be careful that it doesn't fall in. So I think using a rubber band next time is probably will be better. So I went ahead and strained my moringa oil, and then I am going to add a few drops of peppermint oil. I told you guys that I really love peppermint oil because it suits the scalp and it cools it, especially if you have a history of dry scalp and itchy scalp. Adding peppermint oil is very beneficial, but you don't have to. You can go ahead and also add other essential oils, but as I also said, when making those oils, I don't like to add a lot of essential oil, so which is why I added only peppermint oil. That brings us to the end of the video, y'all. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.